Welcome to the AOPEN Tech Minute. Today we have an unboxing and features overview of the rugged AOPEN eTILE 19M FP2 fanless all-in-one touch panel PC. This unit features an Apollo Lake Intel Celeron CPU, 10-finger 1080p capacitive touch panel, and a metal chassis, making it perfect for demanding kiosk applications. The onboard TPM 2.0 module will keep your data secure, while the exclusive port cover will help keep your service calls to a minimum. An IP-rated design, 50,000 hour MTBF, and AOPEN's well-known durability will lower your total cost of ownership. Let's get started. We've removed the eTILE from its box. As you can see, this is the front of the unit. There's a cover protecting the glass. There's also, around the edge, a neoprene screen protector. So it protects the edge of the glass against any nicks. On the back of the unit, as you'll see here, we have built-in VESA mount, 100 millimeter by 100 millimeter. We also have a sticker reminding the customer that since this is a fanless device, there needs to be at least 1 inch of gap if you're mounting it flush against a wall. And here is our port cover. And the port cover protects any cables that are going into the back of the unit. As you can see, 2 screws, it's easily removed. But when you plug in cables, if you're plugging in a network cable, serial cable, HDMI, etc., notice there are knockouts here on the cover, also on the sides. So you can run your cables through and then put the cover back on. And once the cover's back on, you put the screws in and the cables are now protected. There's also little loops here with strain reliefs. So there are wire ties in the box that allow you to strain relief your cables. Now, also in the box, we have, of course, our power supply. As you can see over here, power supply, our cable, and we also have a simple accessory kit. And the accessory kit has some spacers for the VESA mount. It has some cable ties, as we talked about. And also there's a tool inside here, not unlike a paper clip, that allows you to access the power button and the brightness control. They're on the side of the unit, and with that tool you can make sure that customers do not accidentally turn the unit off or adjust the brightness without you knowing. Here's a close-up of the side of the unit. You'll see that there's a Kensington lock slot right here. We also have a power button here, and of course this is a hidden power button, also brightness control. Here's the tool that comes in the box. You can also use a paper clip to adjust the brightness or manually turn the unit on and off if you prefer. One of the unique features of the eTILE 19M FP2 is this access cover that's easily removed. I already took out the 6 screws, and as you can see, you have quick and easy access to the motherboard if you want to replace the RAM, for instance, if you want to replace the SSD. We also have thermal pads that are included, of course, for the CPU and the SSD. The recently introduced AICU out-of-band endpoint management solution will allow you to manage your AOPEN devices from a centralized web dashboard. This allows you to monitor performance, receive alerts, update applications, and recover the operating system remotely. Some of the other features of AICU include hierarchical management structure, group policies, remote screenshots, health status and alerts for CPU, RAM, SSD, and system temperature, hardware and software-based watchdogs, EDID emulation, HDMI cable detection, OS backup and recovery, and USB device detection with lockout capabilities. Overall, AICU makes remote device monitoring and management easy while lowering your total cost of ownership. For more information or to sign up for a trial account, please visit aopen.com. Thank you for watching. For more information about the AOPEN eTILE 19M FP2, AICU out-of-band endpoint management, and other great commercial, industrial, and medical grade products, please visit aopen.com. Have a great day.